How to change password on Instagram if forgotten old password. So in this video, I'll go ahead and teach you guys how you guys can go ahead and change your password here on Instagram. So super easy, just follow very thoroughly. So you guys can see here, I'm currently on the Instagram, login page. Now, if I forgot my password, I'm going to go ahead and click the white highlighted text that says forgot password. Once I go ahead and click on it, you guys should be able to get the find your account option here. Now, either you put in your username, email, or you guys can actually search by typing in your mobile number instead by clicking the white text highlighted here below the find account option. But I'm going to go ahead and find my account through my username, and I'm going to go ahead and type it in, and then after that, press find account. Now, once I go ahead and do that, usually it should give you an option like this where you can actually sign in because it's actually logged into the device. But if you don't actually have that, press try another way. And you guys should be able to get all of the following ways you can actually go ahead and recover your account. Now you can actually recover it through your email or via SMS. So usually I like using the SMS option. So that's what I'm going to go ahead and click. Now all I have to do now is click continue, and it should actually go ahead and send an SMS to my phone number. And I'm going to actually have to type in the code. So I'm going to go ahead and swipe down here, and you guys can see they actually got the code here. So I'm going to go ahead and type it in 452 and then 228, and then I'm going to go ahead and press continue, and you guys should see that it should give you the option to create a brand new password. So go ahead and type in a new password. It doesn't really matter what it is, as long as it's very secure. It's very important that you have it secure as well, just so people don't get in. And pretty much that's how you go ahead and change Instagram password if forgotten old password. So I'm actually not going to put a new password here because I don't want to change my password, but that's essentially how you go ahead and do that, guys. It is super easy to do, guys, and it's very simple. But with that being said, if you found this video extremely helpful, make sure to leave a like on the video, subscribe to the channel, guys, and until next time.